How to set up and use Electrum Wallet. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to set up and use Electrum Wallet. If you're looking for something secure and user-friendly wallet ideal for Bitcoin, then this tutorial is for you. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Electrum Bitcoin Wallet. You can see tons of websites right here, but what you're going to do is you have to click the very first link that you can see. So this is Electrum Bitcoin Wallet. This is the interface. If you want to see more information, just scroll down. But what you're going to do here is you have to go directly to download where you can see the different sources and binaries. So if you want Python, Linux, Windows, Mac OS, Android, if you want to install from Python sources, you can copy this one. But for this tutorial, we're going to use Windows. So since I'm using Windows this time, I'm going to click this. I'm going to install or tap this Windows installer right here. Okay, so once you tap this one, then you will be notified above on the right side that it is now starting to download, and all you have to do is to wait for a couple of minutes, depends on your internet. So this is Electrum, tap this one, and then run as administrator. Wait for a couple of seconds, and you can now start installing it. But first, tap this browse icon and you can just simply save it in your desktop or anywhere on your PC and then click install. Again, wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now, once done, you can see this close button right here. Tap this and then go to your start menu. Look for Electrum or search for Electrum. And what you're going to do next is you have to click this Run as Administrator again. Okay, tap Run as Administrator, wait for a couple of seconds, and then you will see this Electrum Bitcoin wallet right here. It will appear. Okay, so click Next. Okay, and then here you can look for a location, but let me tap Next. Okay, click Next again. So you have options and you can choose from any of the given option right here. But for this tutorial, let's just stick with the first option, which is standard wallet. So tap this one and then proceed next. But actually everything is up to you. If you know some of this, then you can select from any of this given option. Tap next. And then here, as you can see, do you want to create a new seed? So if you want to create a new one or if you have already, so feel free to select from any. This is your new seed right here and you need to simply, copy and paste this one. You need to save this. Okay, so you can highlight, Control C, or you can highlight and then copy, right click copy, open your notepad or you can open your Microsoft Word and then paste the seed right here and then save because you will use this one later on. Okay, and then after that, what you're going to do, you can read the following instruction right here, information right here, and then after that, click this next button. Okay, so you can add something right here. You can add more custom word with your seed, okay? But actually this one is optional. I just want to add my seed, okay? Just like that. I don't want to add more word. And then here you can paste again your seed, but you cannot paste actually. You have to do it manually. You have to type this one, okay? As you can see, I cannot paste this. So I need to do it manually, enrich. And then after that, after I type all of this because I cannot paste, then you can now tap next or I tap this next button right here and then paste this one again. Next is you need to create a strong password. So enter your password right here. Make sure that you have the copy of this or you remember this password, okay? It will indicate if it's a weak password. So you must create something till you see the strong, okay? Password strength is strong. So I have added this password right here. Once you have created a strong password, what you're going to do is you have to click this finish button below. Okay, and that's it. You can now see your Electrum Bitcoin wallet. This is what it looks like. Okay, so let me just minimize this one to show you exactly what are the features inside this Electrum Bitcoin wallet. So as you can see, there is file. Here you will see recently open, new, restore, save, backup, delete, and if you want to quit. For wallet, if you want to see your information, if you want to see your password, your seed, your private keys. Okay, if you want to export your label, or if you want to find something, just go to wallet. For view, if you want to add a feature, like if you want to add this addresses, if you want to add this coins, if you want to add context channels, and then all you have to do is to tap that here inside view. Tools, you can see preferences, okay, network. Okay, you can see plugins. If you want to add plugins here, sign, verify, encrypt, load transaction from file. If you have your files, you just have to go to load transaction right here. And help. If you have encountered some problem or report a bug, then go to help or donate to a server. Now here you can see history, you can see send, okay, so pay to, description, amount. You can see it right here. So basically for send, the feature is used to send Bitcoin to another address. It allows users to transfer their Bitcoin to other wallets or addresses for payment, transactions, or transfer. So you can see it right here. For receive wallet, it generates a unique Bitcoin address that others can use to send you Bitcoin. Okay, so for channels, this Electrum Wallet term channels typically refers to the Lightning Network channels. The Lightning Network is a second layer protocol built on top of the Bitcoin blockchain that allows for faster, cheaper transactions. Okay, so as you can see, I have enough ones. For addresses, it refers to the unique identifiers that are used to receive Bitcoin into your wallets. So for coins, in the context of Electrum Wallet, it refers to Bitcoin that is stored in your wallet in the form of unspent transaction outputs. Contacts are part of the wallet's feature that allows you to save and organize Bitcoin addresses under specific names or labels. So again, to send, you just have to open Electrum, click on the send, enter the recipient's Bitcoin address, specify the amount, transaction fees, and then click preview, and then after that, confirm transaction. If you want to read, import, and export invoices, you just have to go to the side. If you want to change your password, just tap this lock icon below. You can change your password. If you want to see your units, fiat, you can just simply go to preferences and you can see this features like lightning and so on. In preferences, you can see here appearance, units, fiat. So by the way, preferences refers to a set of customizable settings that allow you to adjust how the wallet functions and interacts with Bitcoin network. So these preferences enable users to tailor their Electrum experience to suit their specific needs. So this is how to set up and use Electrum Wallet. And if you ask me why you need to use this one or the advantage of using this Electrum Wallet, this is one of the most popular, widely used Bitcoin wallets due to its unique features, high level of customization, and reputation for security. So it also has advanced features. Unlike other platforms, it has backup and recovery, customizable interface, low fees and cost, and above all, easy to use. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.